Thank you for joining Wars of the Roses. And this is Installation from the Encyclopedia of Freemasonry by Albert G. Mackey. Installation, the act by which an officer is put in possession of the place he is to fill. In Freemasonry, it is therefore applied to the induction of one who has been elected into his office. The officers of a lodge, before they can proceed to discharge their functions, must be installed. The officers of a new lodge are installed by the Grand Master or by some past master deputed by him to perform the ceremony. Formerly, the Master was installed by the Grand Master, the Wardens by the Grand Wardens, and the Secretary and Treasurer by the Grand Secretary and Treasurer. But now, this custom is not continued. At the election of the officers of an old lodge, the Master is installed by his predecessor or some past master present, and the Master-elect then installs his subordinate officers. No officer after his installation can resign. At his installation, the Master receives the degree of past master. It is a law of Freemasonry that all officers hold on to their respective offices until their successors are installed. It is installation only that gives the right to exercise the franchises of an office. The ceremony is an old one and does not pertain exclusively to Freemasonry. The ancient Romans installed their priests, their kings, and their magistrates. But the ceremony was called inauguration because performed generally by the augurs. The word installation is of comparatively modern origin, being medieval Latin, and is compounded of in and stallum, meaning a seat. Priests, after ordination or reception into the sacerdotal order, were installed into the churches or parishes to which they were appointed. The term, as well as the custom, is still in use. Installation as a Masonic ceremony was early used. We find in the first edition of Anderson's Constitutions a form of constituting a new lodge which was practiced by the Duke of Wharton, who was Grand Master in 1723. It was probably prepared by Desaguliers, who was deputy, or by Anderson, who was one of the wardens, and perhaps by both. It included the ceremony of installing the new master and wardens. The words, "shall in due form install them," are found in this document. The usage then was for the Grand Master, or some brother for him, to install the Master and for the Master to install his wardens, a custom which still exists. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment, and if you can, please consider donating to Wars of the Roses. Links to PayPal and Patreon are in the description. Thank you so very much.